everyone, introduce my Nerf Ultra Elite Strife. So I have all of these attachments for it. And I never got this new because look, it has 3 different triggers on it. A release trigger, a motor trigger, and even a regular trigger. Here's the first attachment. This is a barrel extension. As you see here from the overview of the gun, you actually just put it right here. You put it on right here at the front of the gun. There. Now, we have the back extension. So this is where you put it here on the back of it this time. So you just gotta tighten it on there like that. Then this. First thing you gotta do is push the orange button right there and pull it like that. And then you put it right here this time. So let me show you. Oh yeah. Then the last thing, my 10 mag. And then we got the Nerf Ultra Elite Strife. Let's see how it shoots, shall we? Here we go, everybody. There, right here at this right now. 3, 2, 1. Wait a minute, what? Mag jam. I keep on getting mag jam. The mag is always getting jammed for mine, guys. I have no idea why, but it's always getting jammed. Jammed again. What happened this time? Alright, now I got it. because that was the end of the mag shoot. So if you didn't watch the putting together part of this video, then I'll just give you the recap parts, and then you can just look at how you can just put it on the way side, which is just the exact same way I was supposed to do it. These aren't shells, these are actually just bullets for Nerf gun. Yes, these are Nerf actually, because I've never heard, but the only machine that I've heard that has motorized is an MG, aka machine gun. MG means a machine gun. You know what an SMG is? It's just a machine gun that has a stopping pause at it, and then it keeps on shooting. So it's like zzz, zzz. So it pauses in the middle of the mag and then ends the mag. So here's a recap overview of the blaster. If you didn't see that, here it is. We got this here, the ending. Then we got the mag, we got this, we got that, and pretty much that's it. And that's a strife. This is just a release button to release the mag, and then the shooting trigger.